Are you overwhelmed? What's draining your bandwidth today? Hey, my Soft Lifers. At Soft Life Chronicles, we help you identify what is draining your bandwidth the most. And we help you to see that that overwhelm feeling you're having, it is logical and not a personal failure. Say, for instance, if we told you that environment was draining your bandwidth the most, maybe it's something at home, maybe it's at work, or even a relationship that's causing you the strain, then use that information and help you to reallocate your bandwidth. So, this is what we do here. So, now that you have this important piece of information, you can act differently. You can ask yourself, what needs to be supported different? What should I adjust? What can be deferred? And what do I really need to release at this time? That's bandwidth reallocation. So let me ask you this. What feels like it's draining your bandwidth the most right now? Is it something about money, your well being, your environment? Is it how you're using your time? Let us help you. If you don't know, that's what we do here. Register for our free workshop on June 18th. The link is in the bio. You owe it to yourself because your soft life is out there. It's not perfect, not pressure free, but more aligned, more intentional, and definitely honest. And here is where we help you map a path to it. So I hope you'll join us. See you there.